On my cheek I feel a soft touch of the winds that whispered low, as I mourned Pat Murphy's meadow in the sunny long ago.
How you going, ladies and gents? You're very welcome to a very piratey edition. We got the storm coming in over Perth at the minute, so we've decided to go down a bit of a nautical theme. So if we were to jump on board, I would be your captain this evening. We got lots of songs from the sea, particularly ones that have storms in them. So we're going to get started with a little bit of a cow ditty here from Donegal. Ew! I wonder where Ben is. I remember the night that he came in from the wintry cold and damp, and joined on the man in an oilskin coat and the bundle that told he was a tramp. He stood at the bar and he called a pint, and then turned and gazed at the fire. On a night like this, she'll be safe and dry. It's my one and only desire. Ooh. Oh, here's to those that are dead and gone, the friends that I love dear. And here's to you, and I'll bid you adieu. Sail Donegal, Danny's been here, me boys. Donegal, Danny's been here. Then in a voice that was hushed and low, he said, listen, I'll tell you a tale. How a man of the sea became a man of the boat, and never more will set sail. I fished out of Hope and Killybegs, Ardglass and Baltimore, but never he had beaten me, and I lent my days on the shore. So here's to those that are dead will forget. That awful night I lost all my friends. I see their faces yet. And often at night when the sea is high and the rain is tearing at my skin, I hear the cries of drowning men floating over on the wind. So here's to those that are dead and gone, the friends that I love dear. And here's to you, and I'll bid you adieu, saying Donegal, Danny's in here, me boys. Donegal, Danny's in here. One more time. So here's to those that are dead and gone, the friends that I love dear. And here's to you, and I'll bid you adieu, saying Donegal, Danny's been here, me boys. Donegal, Danny's in here. Woo! Oh, and we're off.
I can't see out of one of my eyes there.
That's funny, the
Oh,
eye
that's it.
patch.
No, yeah.
Ah, mateys. So everyone's bunkering down here in Perth, ladies and gents. As usual, we've got the wonderful Caroline at the helm. And we also have a very interesting guest that's going to be coming up a little bit later in the show. We'll tell you more about that as we go on here. But everyone's kind of staying home and making the best of what they got. We got some we got some old rum and some old port here. We actually found this dusty bottle of port. It's pretty good. And we're going to sing.
Recommended by our local liquor merchant.
We're going to sing a song now. This one's for the Pogues, and it's about a very rainy night. I've been loving you a long time, down all the years, down all the days, and I cried for all your troubles, smile at your funny little way. We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, and some of them fell into hell. Well, I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms. On a rainy night in Soho, the wind was whistling all its charms. I sang you all my sorrows, and you told me all your joys. Whatever happens to that old song, to all those little girls and boys, those little girls and boys. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, the ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. Well, I'm not singing for the future, and I'm not dreaming of the past. No, I'm not talking about the first time. I'll never think about the last. And now this song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means. Still there's a light I hold before me. You are the measure of my dreams. You're the measure of my dreams. You're the measure of my dreams. You're the measure of my
How's that?
You, good man. Well, Ben.
Good man, everybody.
It's unreal. How are you feeling?
Yeah, good. I closed my eyes and then I opened them up again and I was like, oh, we look insane.
I think the earrings are probably the best. I'm going to keep those.
Yeah,
man.
I think yeah, no, that's a permanent fixture from now on. Just letting everybody know if anyone wants to defriend me, now is the time. So I said that if I was going to sing a song and it was a serious one, I'd turn the hat to the serious mode.
Oh, wow. We're getting serious already. All right. So, if Dan Walsh gets wind of this, please don't tell him I was playing 5-string banjo. I'm a horrible banjo player.
I mean, you make up for it in purchase.
It's got a lot of purchase. Ben's going to sing us an old song now. This one's called The Lowlands of Holland. And has it got a sea and a storm in it?
It does, yeah.
Deadly. All right, it's in.
Yeah, it was the sea and the storm was betwixt two lovers.
That's so poetic, man. Oh, all right, you take it away, man. I won't step in it here.
Maybe I don't want it.
Oh, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, you get double banjo action here.
Yeah, if you feel like your television is making a bad sound, it's because it's not your fault.
It's the two banjos.
Now when that I was married and in my marriage bed, there came a bold sea captain and he stood at my bed head. Fair play. Saying, arise, young wedded man, and come along with me to the lowlands of Holland for to fight the enemy. Now Holland is a lovely land, and in it there grows fine grain. It is a place of residence for soldiers no shoes all on my feet, no comb all in my hair. I'll wear no handkerchief around my neck for to shade my beauty fair. And neither will I marry until the day I die.
Day I die!
Since high winds and stormy seas have parted my love and I.
You! Good stuff, man.
I love playing with two banjos.
But it's a bit like wasabi. It's a sometimes food.
Oh, yeah.
You can't have it all the time.
Or can you?
Oh, this is so much fun.
Turn the hat back.
So we hope you guys are enjoying the crack here. We're just we just decided
Making the most of it. We were supposed to have an outside guest today, but it wasn't. Like, it was the storms were too wild.
And it would have been irresponsible to ask somebody to drive in this weather, so we just decided to have a little dress-up party and drink some rum.
Now there's a thread to this, and that will become more apparent in the last quarter of the show.
Oh yeah, deadly. I'm looking forward to that. So in the meantime, we're going to sing a song. Is a very serious song. And like Ben was saying to me before, it's like, what about when we sing the serious songs? We're going to look like fools. So
I think I look quite charming.
if we can break from the crack for a minute, this is a song written by Peggy Seeger and made famous by herself and Ewan McCall, and it's about a lifeboat called the Lifeboat Mona that was capsized during a rescue mission in 1959. And it was it was just off the coast of Scotland there, near Dundee, on the mouth of the River Tay. And this song kind of tells the story of that event. So, and it's a beautiful song. I'm more familiar with the Luke Kelly version of it, but we're going to perform it for you here now. It's called The Lifeboat Mona. Okay. December 59, the howling wind and the driving rain. Remember the gallant men who drowned on the lifeboat. Mona was her name. Remember December 59, the howling wind and the driving rain. Remember the gallant men who drowned on the lifeboat. Her name. The wind it blows and the sea roars up, beats along with mighty waves. At St. Andrew's Bay the lightship fought the sea until her moorings gave. Remember December 59, the howling wind and the driving rain. Remember signal to the shore. We must have help or we'll go down. From Broughty Ferry at 2 a.m. they sent the lifeboat Mona out. Remember December 59, the howling wind and the driving rain. Remember the gallant men who drowned on the lifeboat Mona was her name. 8 men formed a gallant crew. They set their boat against the main. The wind so hard and the sea so rough, we'll never see land or home again. Remember December 59, the howling wind and the driving rain. Remember the gallant men who drowned on the lifeboat. Mona was her name. 3 hours went by and the Mona called. The wind blow hard and the sea runs high. 5 lay drowned in the Shalom there. Children washed up on the shore. 8 men died when the boat capsized, and the 8th is lost forevermore. Remember December 59, the howling wind and the driving rain. Remember the gallant men who drowned on the lifeboat. Mona was her name. Remember December 59, the howling wind and the driving rain. Remember the gallant men who drowned on the lifeboat. Mona was her name. Good
What
on
a tune. I'm sad now.
you. It's okay. We got some swashbuckling and some rum.
Oh, yeah.
Can I swap you a giant banjo for a what seems now a tiny
Yeah, sorry, I
guitar?
was just having a moment there.
He was too. Oh no, the other one.
Oh, yeah, the regular
Yeah,
guitar.
yes. It just seems tiny compared to this yoke now. Fair play.
Well, you need a bus ticket to get from one end to the other of this bad boy.
Thanks, man. I need to wear protection when I play that banjo, otherwise it rips my knees. Anyways, enough of my problems. So we're going to sing another song from Donegal. We open the programme with Donegal Danny, and he talks about fishing out of killybegs. So this is a song about some lads who fish out of killybegs.
There's actually 3 Johnny Gold songs in this set, I think.
Oh, yeah? What's the other one?
I can't remember.
Oh. Well, we'll find
Oh,
out.
that's
when-
interesting information, Ben.
Well, no, but it's a voyage of discovery. Okay. There are wild and rocky hills on the coast of Donegal, and the fishermen are hardy, brave and free. And the big Atlantic swell is a thing they know right well, as they try to pull a living from the sea. With the pleasant rolling sea and the herring right free, and the fleet all riding gently to the foam. When the boats are loaded
fishing.
Oh, that's one ripper, man. Oh. So that song actually was requested on our Friday night program. So
Oh, yeah.
I'm not sure if the bloke who requested it or lady that requested it is watching tonight. So can't remember who it was, but I seen it come up on the board and I was like, dang it, we're doing that on Sunday.
There's lots of love for that song anyway.
It's a great song, yeah. Thank you, Caroline.
Up Donegal.
So we're going to do a song now. We're going to send it out to Sean Byrne of the very new Belmont Plumbing and Gas.
We need a slide. We'll
So,
see if we can sort something out.
we love sending songs out to our friends.
And that's why I sounded bad when I was playing the guitar. Because it's out of tune.
That might have been partly my fault. All right, Sean, this is for you, man. You know what's coming.
Yourself.
If you're going to do a song about a song of the sea, then you got to do this song. This is about some guys who were working at sea, but they and this one particular fella who kind of worked paycheck to paycheck. God help him if the pandemic hit, huh?
Truth.
He'd be screwed.
Man.
Anyways, yeah. So he.
But, yeah, well, if you're a pirate, though, you're lawless, so you can just go and rob everybody.
There you go. You get your money back. This guy, unfortunately, wasn't one of those. But he decided that his last tour on the boat was going to be his last one ever, so he sold all his stuff and he went and had a good party.
Seemed
And,
like a good idea at the time.
Yeah, it did, yeah. He may have regretted it afterwards. This is called Go to Sea No More. When first I landed in Liverpool, I went upon the spree. My money, alas, I spent it fast, got as drunk could be. And when my money was all gone, it was then that I wanted more. But a man must be blind to make up his mind to go to sea once more. Once more, boys, once more. Go to sea once more. But a man must be blind to make up his mind to go to sea once more. Well, I spent them whores get married instead and spend all night in bed and go to sea no more. No more, boys, no more. Oh, go to sea no more. I get married instead and spend all night in bed and go to sea no more. Gently.
That's a cracker tune, eh?
That's a ripper. That's for Sean Byrne. Cheers. Oh yeah. Do you like that one, Caroline? So we played Rain Night in Soho earlier on, and it occurred to me as I was singing it that we sang it for our friend Mark Black at his wedding.
Oh, McBlack.
Mark and MJ, and we also, this is one of Mark Black's favourite songs. So I don't know if Mark is watching, or maybe he might watch it back. But let me see if I can. We're going to sing one of his favourite songs, and this song is a song about basically when regular people die, they either go to heaven or to hell, I suppose, is the idea.
There's a special spot for fishermen.
Fishermen, anybody that works on the sea, apparently they've got another place that they go to, and it's a magical place called Fiddler's Green. So if you've been a good sailor and a decent enough chap, you hope to end up here at the end of your swashbuckling days. So we're going to sing this for Mark, whether he's watching or not. We'll show it back to him afterwards.
Force him to watch it.
Anytime he sees us in Dirty Nellies, he's like, play that song. We got a full dance floor going. We're like, Mark, you're going to kill us here.
Ah, yeah,
but we
brutal,
do it anyways.
it's brutal, yeah. He's a good friend, so it's worth ruining the entire pub's crack for.
This, truth be told, is one of my favourites too. So this is called Fiddler's Green. As I walked by the dockside one evening so fair, to view the salt water and take the sea air, I heard an old fisherman singing a song. Won't you take me away, boys? Me time is not long. Wrap me up in my oilskins and jumpers. No more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Now Fiddler's Green is a place I've heard tell, where the fishermen go if they don't go to hell, where the skies are all clear and the dolphin do play, and the cold coast of Greenland is far, far away. Wrap me up in me oilskins and jumpers. No more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mate, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Now the skies are all clear and there's never a gale, and the fish jump on board with one swish of their tails. Where you lie at your leisure, there's no work to do, and the skipper's below making pay for the crew. Wrap me up in my oilskins and jumpers. No more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking and the long trip is true. There's pubs and there's clubs and there's lassies there too.
Sounds pretty sweet.
Where the girls are all pretty and the beer is all free. And there's bottles of rum growing from every tree.
Hey, bye, buddy.
Wrap me up in me oilskins and jumpers. No more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mate, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Now I don't want a harp nor a halo, not me. Just give me a breeze and a good rolling sea. I'll play me old banjo as we stroll along, with the wind in the rigging to sing me this song. Wrap me up in my oilskins and jumpers. No more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mate, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Wrap me up in my oilskins and jumpers. No more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Oh,
Good luck,
deadly.
fish. Good luck.
We were trying to figure out we weren't trying to. I was trying to figure out what instrument you were going to play on that one, and you were like banjo for Barney, obviously. So Barney McKenna from the Dubliners is a wonderful banjo player and a great inspiration to many people. And he's
And yeah, well, like he would have given up like touring around the world playing banjo for just going for a casual fish any day of the week.
just going. He loved fishing and loved being out on his boat. And so it just makes total sense. I was like, what a stupid question to ask. Of course. So, all right, we're going to send this next song out to Ronnie if he's watching. This is one that
This one involves more fish.
did we learn this one from Ronnie or from Jerry?
I was from Jerry, yeah. For
But
Jerry's
Ronnie,
dad,
Ronnie,
yeah.
Ronnie was like, I know that song.
Yeah, no,
I've heard that in years.
we played it, and Ronnie comes to the session. Fiend is just like, oh my god, I haven't heard that song since I was on my dad's knee.
Yeah, it's a beautiful song. So it's another fishing song. But this one's a happy one. It's just about some guys who go off fishing off the kind of northeast coast of Ireland. So that little channel of water between
I
Northern
feel like I turned the hat round for this, eh?
Absolutely, man. And between Northern Ireland and Scotland, there's a small patch of water there, and they reckon on a clear day you can actually see from Ireland into Scotland and vice versa. So, but there is a tiny little island just off the coast, and when the lads would go out fishing in these waters, as soon as they got to Rathlin Island, they knew that they were only about half an hour away from a pint. So it was kind of a bit of a landmark that they'd look out for, a little Rathlin Island just off the coast.
And in this, they've just got a shitload of fish.
Yeah.
And it's like sweet, like fish-wise.
Yeah.
And we're going to the pub for a tin.
I love it.
It sounds so foreign now, going to the pub, yeah?
I know, yeah. Sailing southwards from Rathlin Island, past Fairhead and by Molag Bay, with a north wind to drive us home.
spray wise. I always get the nod from Carol, like, well, not the nod, but just the shake of the head. It's like it's supposed to be.
People don't like that one. So, ladies and gents, we do have a guest on today's show. It's a guest with a bit of a twist, you know. You got to work with what you have, you know. It's like, oh, hey. Oh, you might have given it away there, love. Anyways, in order, the guest that we have on the show is a female.
It's a woman.
It's a woman. It's a female who lives in this house. Which house, you say?
Yeah, I do say which house.
So Chili has had a sex change, and he.
We know you all want chili, but it's just too expensive.
He's a dog, man.
He's a dog bastard. He's a mongrel.
But yeah, so we're gonna have the guest coming up just after this next song. This song is a great rousing song of the sea, about these lads who just can't wait to go home to see their wives and girlfriends
And prostitutes.
and everything in between. That was good to say. Well, yeah, fair play.
Sorry, yeah, I didn't realise it was supposed to be subtle.
One of these shows will be family friendly. We're just gonna figure out which one.
What? Oh, yeah, we've said that many times. Fine girl you are!
listen to the wonderful vocal stylings of Mr. Tommy Kearns, who kindly let us use this next song for our Sunday show. And we will be back in a minute's time with our very special guest coming up here. Okay.
Special guest.
Where are the happy boys and girls that dance the gay quadrille? Or the singer warbling sweetly o'er the burning granite mill? Or here again at sun at Murphy's meadow in the sunny long ago? Those days are but a memory like the snows of yesteryear. And when evening shades are falling, all alone I shed a tear. On my cheek I feel a soft touch of the winds that whispered low, as I mourn Pat Murphy's meadow in the sunny long ago.
Oh, yeah.
Hey! It's Caroline, everybody! Yar! You look like some kind of pirate wench.
I know, I'm the captain.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm the captain.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm the captain.
Oh, good
Now,
on
in
you.
full disclosure, like,
Oh, God. Caroline's like, what's he going to say?
gee.
this whole pirate idea was a bit of a present to Caroline,
Oh, yeah.
who had come up with the
I think about
questionable idea of having a pirate tour.
It was 3 years ago. We were coming back from a trip to Geraldton, and we stopped off in Lancelin.
At
No,
the
Was it
Lancelin,
the-
yeah.
yeah.
I can't remember what the pub there is called, but like, and the Lancelin football team are the Pirates.
you salute the
Cheap
pirates.
plug. Yeah. But,
And Caroline's like, let's do a pirate tour. We're like, what? Why? And
Yeah.
So
well, it's just because we were traveling down the coast, and she's like, yeah, well, of course, yeah, we'll get in a boat and just do all the shows.
Yeah, just keep going. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do a show in every
It's like this.
tab near the coast.
Cars are bogus and overrated.
So we were going to have a guest, like we said on the Sunday show, and then we were like, oh, we can't have a guest. We can't ask him to come out in the middle of a storm. And then we
that's
were
what
like,
I just said.
well, our producer is.
In the interest of being parody, me and Jake didn't wear any shoes.
My feet are freezing, man.
It was an average maneuver.
It's chilling.
And and then we were kind of like, well, I don't know how many people know how talented our producer is, and we asked her.
Pretty sure everybody does that.
If she would come in and help us out for a bit of crack, and as payment, you now get your pirate party tour, but it's right here, and you don't have to leave your own house, so it's great. 2 birds, 1 stone. We also want to say a big shout out to Tom. Where's Tom? Tom Christensen. Not a word.
I think him and Chili
He's,
are having a nap.
Yeah, no.
Tom came over and he's looking after Chili for us there. Oh, good stuff.
Restraining Chili because Chili wants to be singing along here.
Chili loves singing along, particularly when all 3 of us were singing earlier, he was all about it. So
Yeah, we're trying to do a sound check. And
We're going to need to do something here, yeah. Why did you wear your eye patch there?
because
I know. Okay, so thank you, Tom, for helping us out there. And so I asked Caroline if she'd whip together some songs. This first song that she's going to perform for you is a very old song. It's a traditional song from the point of view of it's so old they don't know who wrote it. And we put a bit of a storm twist to it towards the end. So yeah. So 1 second now. It's very
yeah, it's
important.
traditional. So we had a look at all of the lyrics that have been never sung for this song, and there were so many different verses, and so we pulled out a couple of really interesting ones that had a bit of a storm theme too. So yeah, let's give it a go.
Deadly. Are we ready?
It's really bizarre. I've got to say, I mean, we've been doing this for a while now, but not only are we dressed up real crazy, but our producer is now singing and
Yes.
stealing the show.
Well, and I'm thinking from a boating reference, who's driving the ship, sir? If our producer, who normally
It's
drives it, is
definitely
in here.
not me.
Okay, we're headed for the coast, for the cliffs.
I'm down in the stores eating all the cheese.
Okay.
great.
Thank you.
Where did you get that song from?
You gave it to me.
It's beautiful.
You didn't give it
This is
to
getting
me.
a bit
But...
too romantic for me. I might step out for a minute.
Fair play. All right. More rum, Ben. More rum. Get that Sailor Jerry's there.
Speaking of romance.
That was beautiful.
Thank
so
you.
now we're going to do a song that was it written by June Carter? I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. Yeah, so it's a June Carter song. So if anyone doesn't know June Carter, she was an amazing country singer and performer, and then became one half of the romantic story of her and Johnny Cash.
Well, very famous country music, like their whole band, whole family.
Yeah, whole
It was
family.
Bandtown, family-wise.
And she's
Sorry.
crack up to if you try and have a look at some of her stuff on YouTube, like it's a 4-minute clip, 2.5 minutes of her just being hilarious and
She's pretty sassy.
she's sassy, she's got like a big mouth,
Sassy
she's
as
just
fuck, eh?
so funny.
Sorry. Yeah, it's obviously not the show. We've got to work on that, on the swearing.
Yeah, there's kiddies watching, I think. Anyway.
Like kitties, like baby kittens.
We'll keep the swearing to a minimum.
So
I'm sure.
this one, but the good thing about this song that I like is that it's totally kind of her attitude. It's kind of a quick kind of give it a go,
Yeah, it's got pep and got a bit of sass, but also tells a bit of a story. So I was keen to try this song. So
All right, here we go.
let's do it.
We ready? Oh, dang bazooki! Who put so many strings on this thing? Okay.
Oh, you wouldn't have me for love, no money, but baby, I tried. I knew the odds were against me, honey, but baby, I tried. You never met such a fool, I bet you went said from the day that I first met you that you wouldn't have a chance in the world to get you, but baby, I tried. Baby, I tried, honey, baby, I tried. I know you never took me for your bride. I said at first that I just couldn't make it, so I take a walk and I try to shake it, 'cause I knew to myself that I just couldn't take it, and baby, I tried. I said that I'd forget I ever knew you, and baby, I tried, but my mind keeps going back on right to you, though. Baby, I tried. I said at first that I just couldn't take it, so I take a walk and I try to shake it, 'cause I knew to myself that I just couldn't take it, and baby, I tried. Baby, I tried, honey, baby, I tried. No, you never took me for your bride. And even when I had thoughts about you, I still love every little thing about you. And I remember as I live without you that, baby, I tried. Baby, I tried. Honey, baby, I tried. And though you never took me for your bride, and even when I had thoughts about you, I still love every little thing about you. And I remember as I live without you that, baby, I tried. Baby, I tried.
Ah, beautiful. Ah, I hope that's not autobiographical.
Don't forget to close the little gate. Chili will come in.
Yeah.
We have
That
to.
was beautiful. That was
you.
so good, hon. So obviously, some of your favourites, if you haven't gathered by now, obviously we would try and keep them Irish if we can. But I just love that song. I love the way you sing it. So and it just really shows off your vocal talent. So good on you. That was class.
Like a banjo, speaking of vocal talent. So we've already crossed the bridge, yeah?
I know. It's great. So now we're going to
into
do.
the thing with your earrings and your pirate and everything. Just getting into it.
It's a great love
It's not
song.
much of a stretch to be fair.
On Friday night you were Amish, and now tonight it's pirate.
Someone made a comment about you being an Amish pirate.
An Amish pirate.
How dare you?
Oh, so now we're going to sing
I
a
don't know what
song
that means.
by a woman who wrote over 2,000 songs.
And yeah.
She sure did, and it's an amazing song, and when you listen to her sing it, she really dances all over the notes. So so it was really interesting trying to learn how to sing it, and then actually step away from her version of it and try to make it original. Bring some Caroline into the story, into the
Or is that
sound.
let's call it Powerline?
I think she wrote this song when she was doing a lot of music with Chet Atkins, so it kind of was born out of that time. So we're going to try it here. It's a beautiful kind of one of those forlorn love songs, you know, about reminiscing on a past relationship. So all right, and it's got a lovely little hook line in it here, which we'd love if you guys help us out with here at home.
And it's Dolly Parton's song. That's who we're referring
Dolly,
to.
of
We
course.
didn't actually say her name.
We
but
all know that it's Dolly.
we know it's Dolly, but so we'll give it a go.
Baton.
Oh, sometimes I go walking through fields where we walked long ago in the sweet used to be, and the flowers still grow, but they don't smell as sweet as they did when you picked them for me. And when I think of you and the love we once knew, how I wish we could go back in time. Do you ever think back on old memories like that, or do I ever cross your mind? Do you ever wake up lonely in the middle of the night because you miss me? Do you, darling? Or do your memories ever take you back into another place in time? Oh, and do you ever miss the feelings and the love we shared when you were with me? Do you, darling? Or do I ever cross your mind? Oh, how often I wish that again I could kiss your sweet lips like I did long ago. And how often I long for those two loving arms that once held me so gentle and close. And when I think of you and the love we once knew, how I wish we could go back in time. Do you ever recall these old memories at all, or do I ever cross your mind? Do you ever wake up lonely in the middle of the night because you miss me? Do you, darling? Or do your memories ever take you back into another place in time? Oh, and do you ever miss the feelings and the love we shared when you were with me? Do you, darling? I just wonder, do I cross your mind? Oh, do I ever cross your mind?
Thanks, Tom.
Thanks, Tom.
Love you, bro. Oh, that's awesome.
That's
what
great.
a great song.
Such a fun song. You have to go in boots and all with that one.
Yeah, just got to keep her lit.
Speaking of boots, will you show everybody your boots?
I have boots.
Ah, give us your booty.
Give it a swing. Just about it.
Yarr. All right, so we're going to conclude this love affair with a song about sad love.
That's my
Yeah.
favourite sort.
This one's got a bit of a sing-along in it, so I'm sure many of you will recognise the song.
The worst thing is when you start singing along with it, you feel sad immediately.
Oh, yeah.
But don't worry, the show won't end on a sad note.
Don't
no,
ruin the
really?
surprise. Now we're definitely going to end now.
Oh, you gotta give people there will be a happy end.
And this is why Caroline is the producer.
Yes.
It's like shepherding.
Yeah. Well,
Wild
normally, like,
cats.
it's especially me and Derek, like, just drilling the thing into the ground until it gets too morbid.
Then Caroline
And
rescues
Caroline's
it.
just like, no, I'm going to turn off the internet.
So this is another.
Tables have turned, sir.
There's a bit of a thread, I guess, that runs through all these shows. I guess when you
Earrings?
when you learn.
I mean, I don't think you can probably see them here, but
Look at this.
these guys.
Oh, look at that. Ahead of him.
Yeah. Also on the other side,
Beautiful, man.
it's something for everybody.
Yeah, straight to grinder with those, man, I reckon.
No. Come on, keep it
But
up.
we did a couple of Barney McKenna references, and Barney, whenever he was feeling romantic, he would sing this next song here, and he would get a whole like auditorium of people singing along with him. So yes, to your point, please.
Yes, maybe because he couldn't be bothered singing it himself. It was an efficient man, yeah.
So Caroline, please sing this song with us here.
I wish I had someone to love me, someone to call me their own, someone to sleep with me nightly. I'm weary of sleeping alone. Meet me tonight in the moonlight. Meet me tonight all alone. I have a sad story to tell you.
My favourite song.
I'm telling it under the moon. I wish I had someone to love me, someone to call me their own. call me their own. Someone to sleep with me nightly. I'm weary of sleeping alone. I'm weary of sleeping alone.
Oh, great job. Thank you,
you.
Caroline. Our guest tonight, ladies and gents, Caroline Perks. Woo!
Thanks, Tom.
Background claps.
We really hope you enjoyed the show. We enjoyed putting it together. It was just good crack. Like myself and Ben were chatting earlier about all the songs with the sea and the nautical theme. It was like we could have filled 3 hours with it.
Yeah.
And it was...
Those of you who want more like sea songs, we've got a shitload of
Oh,
them.
we got so many.
There's lots of people actually trying to guess the sea song that you're gonna play. So
Oh,
yeah,
cool.
lots of people.
We're
are
actually, yeah,
invested.
as we went through it as well, we're thinking about doing a show about crime.
Oh yes, yeah, coming up, yeah, good one. But we hope everyone's keeping safe tonight, bunkering down. That's what we did tonight, and there is an unbelievable amount of talent that lives here. So
you too.
thank you for doing
It's
that.
sweet,
That
isn't
was
it? It's really nice there. It's a romantic moment.
we always planned on having Caroline on the show as a guest, and then you know
Then the pirate thing happened.
the storm thing happened. We were kind of like, all right, this is what's going on, and she pulled these songs out of her hat.
Speaking of
And
pirates.
it was great. It was great. So
Thank
well
you.
done. Good on you. So we're going to do one more song, as we always do, a little bit of a collaboration for a bit of crack. And we
Bring
want
in
to,
2 extra guests.
yeah, we want to bring in the other 2 people who are hanging out here.
What,
Mr.
2
Tom
Toms?
Christensen.
There's a hat for you, Tom.
Oh, bear with us here, folks. Live television. We don't have the.
I'm not here to do the live transition, so
Get yourself like.
I want to say thank you to our sponsors.
rum and whiskey.
I'd like to, but we don't have any.
Yeah.
Fair play.
Hey, oh, Tom,
Look who it
Tom.
is.
Hey,
It's Chili, the pirate dog. We should have
possible to
got
play
him
that.
an eye patch, eh? All right. Here's a song for a bit of crack on a Sunday. One of our favourite songs to sing on a Sunday because, you know, tomorrow's Monday and there's all that kind of stuff. And that one.
have you got a vibro stick?
It's in that bag. In this bag here.
Oh, yeah. Caroline, do you want in that green bag there?
They come from the farms and the factories too, and they all soon forget who they are. And the cares of today are soon washed away as they sit at the stool by the bar. Oh, the girl with green eyes in the Rolling Stone shirt doesn't look like she works on the lawn. And the man at the end is a very good friend of a man who sells cars second hand. Oh, down at the Red Rose Cafe in the harbor, and there by the port just outside Amsterdam. Everyone shares salesmen relax with a few pints of beer, and they try not to speak about trades. Chili won't write any verses tonight, but he may sing a sweet serenade. La 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 la. So pull up a chair and forget about life. It's a good thing to do now and then. And if you like it here, well, I have an idea. Tomorrow, let's all meet again. Where? Down at the Railroad Cafe in the harbor. And there by the port just outside Amsterdam. Everyone shares in the songs and the laughter. Oh, everyone there is so happy to be there. Where? Oh, down at the Railroad Cafe in the harbor. There by the port just outside Amsterdam. Everyone shares in the song and the laughter. Everyone there is so happy to be
Fair play, Terry. Fair play.
That's just how we practiced it. Well done. Oh my God. This has been the Pirate Tour Stay at Home Storm Special Sunday Favourites. How's it going? We're going to say a big thank you to Caroline, who did some great songs there. And a thank you to Tom and to the star of the show, as always, Chili. We are going to be... We'll be back next week, and for now, we hope everyone's keeping safe. Here's a little bit of Dennis.